Hello, today we will guide you through how to create work orders in QuickBooks Online. To begin, make sure you are signed in to QuickBooks Online and starting from the home page. This is the main dashboard, and it's the easiest place to begin because all of the tools you need are accessible from here. From the home screen, move to the top right corner and click the Settings icon. This is where QuickBooks stores many of the account and customization options, including the tools for adjusting how your forms look and function. After the Settings menu opens, select Custom Form Styles. This area allows you to create and manage the templates used for different kinds of customer-facing documents. Since QuickBooks Online doesn't have a dedicated work order form in the standard setup, this process uses an estimate style as the starting point, which you can customize for your needs. Once you're in Custom Form Styles, click New Style. This lets you create a fresh template rather than changing an existing one, which is a helpful way to keep your current forms untouched while you build a new version specifically for work orders. When the list of form types appears, choose Estimate. This will open a new estimate template that you can modify. Many businesses use estimate templates as work orders because they're flexible and can be tailored to include the information needed for jobs, services, or internal approval workflows. Next, click Design and Customize. In this section, you can control the visual appearance of the form. This is where you adjust how the work order will look when it is viewed, printed, or shared. It's a good idea to make sure the layout is clean and easy to read so your team and customers can quickly understand the details. After that, click Content and Customize. This section is especially important because it controls the information shown on the form itself. Here, you can review the fields and make sure the estimate template is set up in a way that supports your work order process. Take your time in this area so the final form matches how you want to use it. Then click Emails and Customize. This section lets you review how the form will appear when sent electronically. Even if you mainly use work orders internally, it's useful to make sure the email settings are clear and professional in case you need to share the form later. Once you've finished reviewing and customizing these sections, click Done to save the new style. That's it. You've now created a customized estimate form style in QuickBooks Online that can be used as a work order.